Guys, now today let's learn about the circular pattern in Features Command Manager. So to learn the circular pattern, let's go to sketch and sketch first. So let's make one circle like this, and I'm going to extrude it. Click on OK. Now let's draw another sketch to make the pattern of that sketch. So I'm selecting this rectangle and I'm making one rectangle like this. OK, features and extrude it that side so that it will be like a gear teeth like this. Now make it as normal. So if you want this teeth, for example this is teeth, and if you want this teeth in the entire circumference, then you can directly go to features and then circular pattern, then it will ask you the direction. And likewise, if you type stance spacing, then you need to specify the angle between this one, how many stances you are using, you need to specify the angle. What I am using is I am using equal spacing. If you use equal spacing, then it will be like 360. The total circumference will be 360, and how many stances you are keeping, it will be dividing like 360 divided by 10, that is 36. Then it will be at the angle of 36. Each will be at the angle of 36 degree, and like that. First of all, you need the direction. So for direction, select this edge, and after selecting the direction, you need a feature surface which you are making a pattern, features to pattern. So go to our features manager tree and select that those part. Now you can see the preview. As we are making 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, you can see like this. So if you want to increase the numbers, you can increase here like this. I'm making as 15 now and click on OK. Now look, we have made a pattern. I hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.